Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short video I'm going to show you how to check the ClearPass serial number. You need to log into the ClearPass appliance by using the IP address or the FQDN. You can click on Policy Manager module, then use the username and password which you set up in the initial configuration. Once you log in, you will get this dashboard. This is the main dashboard of the ClearPass appliance. From here you can see the version ClearPass Policy Manager 6.11.1. in this hyperlink. Once you click on this hyperlink, it will pop up another window. In here you can see the version, model, also you can see the serial number. In here it will show none because this is a virtual appliance. In a hardware appliance you will be able to see the serial number of your ClearPass appliance. So that's it for this video. Thank you. We'll see on another ClearPass video. Thank you very much.